guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something super cool that was introduced to me by Stanley the Dirt Monkey. Basically, they are called simple straps, right? They are just the most simple, easiest straps you can find on the market to use. And they actually have a ton of cool uses. Granted, they're not going to hold, major equipment down or cat loaders and big things like that. But, they'll keep the doors closed on them. They'll keep, you wrap them around your strap. You can actually wrap these around the straps to stop things from flapping. Or around the chains,
Yeah, that's true.
But the thing is technically, I lied. You could do a Caterpillar with this. You would just need tons of it to keep wrapping. The more you wrap, the stronger it gets, you guys. That's the beauty of this simple strap stuff.
So this basically started off with three friends who kind of got together and solved a problem. I guess in Hawaii, they would go around and, what would they say? Basically inner tubes. They would cut them open.
To go surfing
and put the surfboards up there. Instead of using the tie-down straps that, it's kind of like one length. This you can cut to the length you want. But the nice thing about this, that's it. This is how simple it is. You just, like Dan said, you wrap it around, it holds against itself. We have a video kind of showing you, hopefully, overlay of actually how you do. So the first one you wrap around itself, the second one you wrap, and then the last loop put right underneath, and it tightens it up. And we've used it for, put pipe on there, cooler on there.
Yeah. It's good for quick stuff when you're at the store, you're throwing those 2x4s back there, they're sticking out, you don't want them flying all over. It's simple to just wrap a couple times with this and then tie it off to the sides.
And it's great for like in the back of my truck, like I'm doing the house, so I'm always putting lumber back there, I'm always putting plumbing back there, AMT pipe, all that stuff. And it's nice because you put it on an angle, but every time you turn, it moves all around. There's a lot of times that just, boom, strap this up, put it and go.
Yeah.
You're not messing around.
Yeah, and I actually used it for things other than, I guess I was strapping, but working on the Roxor, I was mounting the radio up, and I just like, you know what, before I go through all this work of mounting it here, I want to see if I like it here. How can I hold it here? So I just took two of these, snipped one in half, wrapped it around, and it held it in place, which I thought was pretty cool.
And speaking of that too, like even woodworking, you know how many times you're putting a piece of wood together and you don't want to put screws in there, but you're gluing it together, and you're like, okay, I got a clamp, or it's big or not too big for a clamp. Use this.
Right. And the great thing about this stuff, you guys, is above nylon straps, I believe, is no damage, right? You're not going to get any damage because it is rubber. It's cushiony in its own,
Which
right?
means, again, you can do it around trim if you want. If you had trim, like,
hey,
painted trim. So I don't have to worry about getting marred, getting messed up or anything like that.
Yeah, you got to hold a window door frame and I don't know, something.
No, but yeah, seriously, honestly, if you're taking a door with the frame or whatever, it's nice to wrap it around because then the door's not flapping open and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's cool, you guys. It's good stuff. So basically, those three guys they designed this stuff, and different flavors of it. We have the thicker one, which is
kind of heavy duty, which is 3 millimeters, and then you have just the regular standard one, which is 2.
Okay, cool. And a lot of cool different colors, you guys. And right now, you gotta go to simplestrap.com, right? I'd love to see this in like Lowe's, Home Depot, and I'm pretty sure you're going to soon, just because of the simplicity of the product, and just everybody needs this. This is just great to have in your car. I don't have to worry about my straps rusting. Even those rope things you like.
That's huge. Yeah, you know what?
These are way better.
You leave it out in the rain, or you leave it out in the snow, or even in the sun. After a while, all that metal stuff corrodes. Then it's harder to open, stuff like that. So with this, obviously, it's simple.
Yeah.
And simple strap.
I know, it's so simple. It's one of those ideas that's like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of that? You guys, simplestrap.com, definitely check them out. Go over there, hashtag TAA crew wherever you go. If you watch our Instagram, you're going to see throughout the rest of the year, we'll be using this stuff and coming up with those unique ways. We just wanted to throw it on your radar right now and just show you kind of right when we got it. I mean, the guys next door, they used it for their welding tanks. Because they're always running it back and forth to each other shops.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, so he's like, man, they're always rattling and the hose is always falling off. He's like, so I just wrapped it with this and now it's all taut on there. So that's cool. And it does hold things in place because of its stretchy
and what's nice is you can cut it down to different lengths. So say like you said, for the welding tank, you only need like a 3-foot piece. You can cut it, always have it on there, and still got stuff left over.
Yeah.
Which is cool.
Good stuff, you guys. Comment below. Let us know what you guys think. Don't forget to hashtag TAA wherever you go. Peace out, you guys.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.